Hey guys, it's me, and I'm going to be doing the drip top glitch today. I don't know why I say it like that, but I always do. Anyways, we're just going to send it to my Emily account, because we are going to make a new account, because all the accounts that are on my, all the accounts that I haven't leveled up that I know, and that are mine, I don't know the password. So, yeah. Just going to trade. Oh yeah, I'm wearing it. I'm going to wear that outfit that I was wearing before. By the way, I got this pen from leveling. And also I got a Miss Goldie from leveling. Like, that was really lucky. And also I got plastic jacket girl for leveling. And that. And that. I got those two of those. They're really annoying me. Why are they even a thing? They must be rares because I got them from like that leveling thing, but I don't know. Sorry, I'm putting that on. It's ugly, but I don't care. Okay, there. Somebody messaged me. I think she asked for the drip top. Everybody's asking for the drip top. I'm not like, bro. Okay. Like, I really like that. But, like, one thing, it isn't worth a drip top. And a drip top, it's worth like a Miss Goldie. Like, I traded for it, the drip top. So I would like a drip top when I don't want it anymore. I mean, a Miss Goldie when I don't want it anymore. So yeah. Or maybe her old account. Just kidding, that's just like stupid. She has really good bears. That sort of person to just give away for like no reason. I'm gonna do like a really expansive outfit that she probably won't do. I already have that dress. I don't want duplicates of that dress either. Have that? No, I don't have that, but like I don't want it. I've had it before, and it's like, no, please God help you. She probably won't say yes to Miss Goldie, but she doesn't even wear it, so I don't understand why she would care. Why she would care, I mean. Miss G. Yeah, that's all I want for it, really. That's what I'm asking for. But, oh yeah, let's carry on with that trading thing, because I'm not giving it right now, because it's like, go. Yes, so I want that drip cat back that I gave to that girl. I gave her for no reason though, so it doesn't even matter. By the way, I will give it back, I'm not that stupid, Jesus Christ. Okay, anyways, let's make the accounts. This really annoys me. Just want like 2 accounts that I can keep leveling up, but like to 10. Because I know at 10 you get like a defect. Yeah, I already did that. Done. She probably won't do it. But why didn't you wear it? Because that is like, yes. Like, what? Hey, what? Super. Don't even ask why I'm doing this. But I'm doing it. Super Go 224. Are you kidding me? 3. I won't remember that, but it has to be easy. Are you kidding me? 6. By the way, I need to put it on a note because if I leave the thingy on it. Also, I'm going to put the password on here as well. By the way, I don't understand why she would say no because I literally did it. Like, oh yeah, my flipping. I don't even know why I did it. I just wanted to level up. Oh yeah, what am I doing? 6. Is that it? Yeah. Then the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, ABC. 3, 6, 6. By the way, you can take this account after. Of course, this video isn't live though, so I don't care. Why does it always do this? It's really annoying. Like, I'm not stupid, I can read. Oh, I actually got it wrong. Boom. Bum. 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 Yes! Okay. Only 2 more arcs, please. Just let me level up 2 more arcs. Yeah, this is what I do. The pain is real for my life. My life is really bad. Okay. Why did I even use this name? By the way, I'm just writing all this down because last time I forgot my password. And I was really sad. And I really thought I actually lost. What is it called? My drip top. I want to get that drip hat back. I love my Miss Goldie. What? I already did level 2. You just give me joints. Oh yeah. But now I have more, like, stuff in my inventory. It's wasting all my space. Jeez. I always press that, I swear. Also, I'm recording, so I know the password. Secretly, that's what you do when you always forget your password. But I always know my password to my name. I don't know why that is a thing. I'm just gonna add my other account. Well, where the heck did that come from? Where did that actually come from? Like, I'm scared. Mom. Mother. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'll try just accept it when you're ready. That's what you do when you're really poor. Guys, I'm really gonna miss my Miss Drip. I wish that was a thing, like it's a Miss Goldie, but you can level it up. Level up with the Miss Goldie, like. But I'm gonna have to get my drip cat back. Sorry. She might say no, I'm gonna be at. But let me on your account. Give me your password. Your password is 1, 2, 3. I love you. Yeah, no, it's not. You don't even know the user, do you guys? And I don't even know her password. I don't know any of my friends' passwords. Once I even met my friend from school on my account, I literally went shopping and I was panicking. I thought he was gonna hack me. Anyway, let's give it to one of my accounts. What account? Just the one that I did this to, okay? Okay. Hello, I'm doing just fine. Okay. I'll start recording again when I have either found a rare or I have I'm on level 10. Okay, bye Felicia. Guys, I just had to refresh because I crashed and my jet tab was on there, so hopefully it didn't crash that much. That what do I do? ABC. That my jet top isn't even a thing anymore because that would just be emotional. Okay. Okay. Please work. Oh yeah, it worked. That's a rare. Also, I got Flamingo hair, but I couldn't be bothered to record. So, who's that? Oh, go away, Pumpy. Sorry, I need help. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm back, and as you can see, we only need 3k, and every time you get 5k. So let's see what we get for level 10. Okay, we got those shoes and sleek. I've already got these like 100 times, so we're going to do them in a different colour. I'm going to do this in like white. Ew, that's dark grey. Okay, now let's have a look at the other account. I keep on getting those shoes, like it's really annoying, but I don't really care. This is the last time I'm going to level up. I won't get any hair. It's just really sad, really. Oh, I got another sorbet dress. Okay, so it's up for trade, guys. It's up for trade. So I'm going to send these to my mate, including the drip top. Okay, no, I don't want to be my friend. Like, that's just sad. But I am on loads of accounts on that. I am just going to pretend myself to look like I have friends, but I actually don't. Let's turn off. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's copy that. Oh my god, this is so sad. I'm actually about to cry. But it's like redoing it, so basically. I wish I could just have both that I like. Okay. I'm asking for my cat back, which is really sad because she was really happy when she got it. Yeah, she sent it. I don't know if she sent it or not. Oh, lonely and single. Same. Ow, my hair. Okay. Guess we better do it. No looking back. I remember you. I remember you. I will remember you. Oh yeah, I haven't even opened the gift yet. Wow, I'm stupid, aren't I? Let's just open this right now. Let's give it. Bye. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you in my next video.